Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add more people into your ClickUp project or inside of your ClickUp workspace. It's very easy, and this will be very easy tutorial. First things first, we have to log in into our ClickUp account, and once we are in here, we want to focus on the bottom left part of our screen. We can do this by using the two ways. First one is just click on invite users in all the bottom down, and here you can write down the email of a person that you want to invite, and also straight away add him a role, for example member or admin, or go further left, click on two dots, or there should be your initials or your logo. In my case is Matt King. And here we have people to invite, and we're gonna click there. Yet again, you can choose if you want to be a member or admin, and just write down, for example, email and invite sent, and these people will receive an invite. Just like that, and he will be invited as a member, so he can't really make any types of changes so far. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.